Tacho housing. It's just on a like a key that goes into that. We'll be reusing this. I've decided to go with the electric fan, which means this has to be cut. So I'm going to go 20mm. Just to give it a bit of an edge. So there we are. Near enough, which brings it right, gives me a little gap. So 20mm off the end of that. Put this back up here. I've had to change cameras because the battery keeps going on my phone. And I don't know if it's working or not. Anyway, so to finish off today, tacho drive and water pump housing, top end complete, which I'm pretty chuffed about. Slides off. Let's see the cam now. I'll show you at the end. Oh, there's a... okay. Be careful here, there's a little dowel and a seal. Right, okay. I don't suppose it really matters, but that lives in there. It's gonna get put away. Probably clean it really, 'cause it's fucking... sprayed it with some brake cleaner, that's all. So how this works, you see, if you can see, it's like a bevel gear. Goes a worm gear, bevel gear, spins this, gives you your speedo. So it comes straight off the crank, or cam, should I say. Okay, that's that. Right, water. Tacho, another pile. Another thing for the pile. washer again, 80s style washer, I mean a clip. That goes to the thermostat, I think. I'll label that. Just don't know what I'll do with it. Water pump. Okay, so some paints. Shit, I forgot this is water. Okay, these bolts might cause problems. Trying not to shock it. Trying to keep a smooth action. Oh, didn't like that. Shared. I'm not sure. We shall see. Well, it's the same length, so should be okay. All the same lengths. And a mess. Okay, good. Okay. There's a little, probably, there's a little hole there. Just activate that seal. Do that. See what state this is in. too bad. Seal and impeller off the cam. 2 dowels. All good. All clear, really. Good.